Let's observe one more item. Here is some twine. Think about its texture, form, size, and color. This time, I want you to help me write it on our observation chart. What type of texture does the twine have? It is a little rough, so I'll write that on our chart. Rough starts with the same sound as Rudy Rooster. It is spelled R-O-U-G-H. What about the form? Well, it is flexible. That is the opposite of the nail and the wood. Both of them are stiff. Looking at the twine, you could say that it is shaped like a ball. Mrs. Triggle would tell us that a ball is a sphere. I can write sphere on the line. I could also say that the twine is long. That's the opposite of the nail, which is short. Lastly, let's look at its color. Technically, twine comes in many colors, but let's just focus on this one. I would say that it is brown, just like the wood. Here is our chart. I will record the weights of the items here in this column. I will put if it sinks or floats. The last thing I need to do before I start is make a prediction. My prediction is that the heavier objects will sink and the lighter objects will float. 5, 6, 37, 38, 39, God, 39. This tennis ball and the bolt are the heaviest items. I predicted that the heavier items would sink and the lighter items would float. Now for our heavier objects. First, the bolt. It sinks. That's what I thought.
Map is spelled M-A-P. A map is a picture of a place. Maps help us to know where we are going and to find out where things are. If you aren't sure where you're going, use a map to guide you. If you need to find a special place to visit, you can use a map. A map can get you where you need to go. And there are so many kinds of maps. Some maps are big and some maps are small. Some maps show us things from really far away, and some show things that are not so far away, like this map of my classroom. There can be a map of your backyard, your neighborhood, a city, or even the whole world. Christopher Columbus, the famous explorer who found America, was a map maker. He drew maps of the sea to show sailors where they could steer their boats without running into rocks. His maps helped them sail safely from one country to another. Take a look at the map my friend Melissa sent me. Pretty neat, huh? This is a map of Melissa's neighborhood. Look at the houses and the trees. Here it's a school, and these are streets. But where's the park? Oh, there it is. Here is where I need to go, and here is where we are right now. How do I get there from here? I can use the map to point out the different areas I'll be traveling through. Let's see. I could go up, then over, then up again, right, down, left. Then let's turn at the trees. And then we'll go straight for a bit, and then right, and then down. This is one way to get to the park, but there are so many twists and turns. Can you help me find an easier way to get there using the map? That's a very good idea. Just go straight, turn right at the playground, and go down. Wow. Do you see any mountains on this map? That's right. Let's see what else we can find on the map key. Next on the key is a symbol of a blue spot. Without looking at the word next to the symbol, I know that blue on a map means that there is water. But what kind of water is it? Let's find out. The word next to the blue spot is lake. So when I see the blue spot on the map, it means that there is a lake there. Can you help me find the lakes on this map? Very good. Let's count the lakes together. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 lakes on the map. Remember, the globe is a representation of what Earth looks like from outer space, and it is round. On a globe, you will find both land and water. There are 7 continents on a globe. We have North America and South America, Asia, Africa, Australia, Antarctica. Brr. It's cold there. And Europe. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 continents. Our first postcard is from Texas. Texas is on North America in the United States. On the globe, we first find North America, then the United States. And here is Texas. I'll put a pin in Texas to mark it on the globe. Texas is